Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Melon Playground up to date and the Lightning plugin installed. Open your project, enable developer mode, and back up the scene so you can revert changes. Next, add a physical object to act as the strike target and set its collision and conductivity properties. Once done, assign the Lightning component to your spawner object and set initial values like intensity and range. These first steps give you a safe, editable baseline to iterate from. Now you tune behavior. Adjust intensity, spread, frequency, and branch count so strikes look natural. Use layered visuals, fast particles for sparks, longer trails for ionized air, and synchronize sound cues with light flicker to sell impact. Make sure to tweak physics responses so affected objects react believably, then iterate by testing short bursts to avoid long debug sessions. Also monitor frame rate and memory if performance dips. Reduce particle counts or simplify collision checks to keep the scene stable. Finish by saving presets or baking effects so you can reuse the setup across scenes. You should document parameter choices and expected performance ranges for future edits. If Lightning fails to trigger, verify event hooks, object tags, permission settings, and that range values are large enough. Also confirm the Lightning component is active. If visuals pop or strobe, smooth interpolation curves and cap sudden intensity jumps. This final polishing ensures consistent, believable Lightning without breaking performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.